Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to adjust the size of web pages in Google Chrome when they appear too large on your screen. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will take you to Chrome's settings page where you can customize how your browser looks and behaves. The settings page is your central hub for making adjustments to improve your browsing experience and make web pages display exactly how you want them. Once you're on the settings page, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a navigation menu with several different categories. Find and click on Appearance. This section specifically controls how Chrome and your web pages look visually, including text size, zoom levels, and other display preferences that affect your overall viewing experience. Now, scroll down within the Appearance section until you see an option called Font Size. Right next to it, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down to see the available font size options. From the list that appears, select Large. This adjustment will make the text on web pages easier to read by increasing the default font size across all the sites you visit. Next, continue scrolling down just a bit further until you find the page zoom setting. This is a crucial feature that allows you to control how much of a web page fits on your screen at once. Click on the drop-down menu next to page zoom and you'll see various percentage options. Go ahead and choose a size that works best for you, something like 75%. This will shrink the overall size of web pages, making them appear smaller and allowing you to see more content on your screen at once without having to scroll as much. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted both the font size and page zoom settings in Google Chrome to make web pages display at a more comfortable size for your viewing needs. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.